Today we are going to discuss how can we solve a given set of equations using matrices and determinants. So let's assume we are given with set of equations a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. So using matrices, this set of equations can be written as a1 b1 a2 b2 x y is equals to c1 c2. So if we assume this matrix to be A, this as x and this as b, so this can be written as ax is equals to b. So first we'll discuss the steps. How do we need to solve this? So if we multiply adjugate of a to both the sides of equations, then this will be adjugate of a into b. As we know, adjugate of a into a is determinant of a into I. So determinant of a into I into x is equals to adjugate of a into b. Now there can be three possible solutions. First is when determinant of a is not equals to 0. If determinant of a is not equals to 0, then we'll get x as adjugate of a into b upon determinant of a. That means we'll get unique solution. If determinant of a is 0, then there will be two cases possible. First will be if adjugate of a into b results to a 0 matrix. That means is it adjugate of a. So when adjugate of a into b is a 0 matrix, that means what will be the case? And determinant of a is also 0. That means 0 into x is equals to 0. So there will be infinite number of values of x that are possible. So this will result in infinitely many solution. So that means here x will have infinitely many possible values for which this equation will be satisfied. Now if we assume determinant of a is 0 but adjugate of a into b is not 0. So what will be the case? 0 into x is some constant or some value. So 0 into some value results to some value which is not possible. So this case will result into no solution. So let's take an example and so try to solve it. So equation is 2x plus 5y is equals to 1 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 7. So our A matrix will be 2, 5, 3, 2 and x will be containing variables x and y and b is containing the constants 1 and 7. So first we need to find adjugate of A. So how do we find adjugate of A? Adjugate of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix of A is 2 minus 3 minus 5 and 2. Now we need to find transpose of this cofactor A. This will be 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2. So our solution will be x is equals to adjugate of A upon determinant of A into the B matrix, that is 1, 7. So adjugate of A 1 upon A, determinant of A first we'll find. Determinant of A will be 4 minus 15, that is minus 11. So here we'll be substituting this here. So 1 upon minus 11 into adjugate of A, that will be 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2 into 1, 7. Now we'll first multiply these two matrices. So this will be 1 upon minus 11 into 2 minus 35 minus 3 plus 14, which will be 1 upon minus 11 into minus 33, 11. So our solution will be, this will become 3 and this will be minus 1. So that means X vector, X matrix is XY. So that means two matrices are there equal only when each and every elements are equal. So that means X is equals to 3 and Y is equals to minus 1.